What's up, y'all? Y'all see KK down there? She's waiting on me. Oh crap, I gotta grab my phone. So it's my 4th out today. It's my 4th out today, which means that I can dispatch from home if it's my choice. Obviously, it's my choice. Some of the guys choose to go in every day on their 4th. Some do, not all. Most do, actually. I typically try to get some time in, especially if my kid's here. My wife's off work, which is rare. Usually it's not the case. Then I still dispatch from home. Anyways, so we've warmed the bikes up. She's been riding for probably 20 minutes or so, maybe 15. My bike's been down here warming up. It's dead. It died already. But it's been warming up. We are on call, so at any given point in time, this video could be stopped because of a record call. But Cadence is wanting to ride, and I'm pretty much always up for it. We got to clean this garage. It's a mess. Gotta get my helmet. All right, get my helmet. Let's just go for a little, oh, my glasses. Go for a little spin. She typically doesn't like to do too much gnarly stuff, and that's okay. So we're probably just gonna be doing some stuff in the driveway and along the side of the property. I might convince her, since we are on camera, to go down the hill, but we will see. I'm not gonna put no pressure on her. I don't want her getting hurt. She's still learning. She's about to upgrade from this thing here to an 85, possibly, maybe an 80. Which I'm thinking like a little Yamaha or something, you know. I believe she's about ready for a clutch. She's got, that's a semi-automatic, and if you don't know what that is, pretty much the gear shift is like, I think the pattern on it is 1 down, 3 up, or 3 up, 1 down, or no, they're all up or they're all down. Either way, if you hold the gear down, it goes into like a clutch, like a neutral, and if you let off, it'll pop into gear. So no matter what gear you're in, if you hold it down or up, either way, it'll go into like a neutral setting. You can rev, let off, and then pop the wheelie. She's getting comfortable. I definitely wish that she would, there's a few things that I wish she would work on, but she's not doing a lot of downshifting. She doesn't use the gear a lot to slow her down, which she hasn't. I've been practicing with that first before I put her on a clutch, because especially on a 2-stroke, because really she can't be downshifting on a 2-stroke, you know. 2-strokes, they say it's not wise to use the gear to slow you down. 4-strokes, it's not like that big of a deal, but 2-strokes, I've heard all kinds of stuff that can just be bad for the bike. Definitely don't want to be rebuilding the bike more than what I'm already going to be, considering it's a 2-stroke. You know, top end rebuilds are notorious. Four kits and stuff are notorious, because the original heads never last. They're 2-stroke. They're not built to last. They're built to replace, rebuild, and race. I mean, that's, you know, 2-strokes are typically racing bikes. I mean, of course, she's not going to be doing nothing too crazy, right? I don't know, man. She's my kid. Once she gets used to it, there's no telling, right? So I guess I need to prepare for the worst. Got to go halfway down the hill.
I don't want to fling no rocks up and hit her, so I'm not getting on it. I think she can get up and down it now because it's nice and dry out and it hasn't rained in forever. Nope. She's coming. Yeah, she is. She's taking her time. I want to see if we can get a shot of her driving up that hill, dude, because I think she can do it. I know she can. I would like to get a shot of her going up that hill. I'm in my wife's clogs. Oh, Lordy. You're doing great. Just stay on your front and back brake. Put it in first gear if you need to. All right, once I get her down to this, I'm gonna get her to do a full send up that hill. Last time she did it, I think, I'm trying to remember, I probably helped push. Oh, there's a deer. They're everywhere out here, y'all. Everywhere. It's absolutely gorgeous out here, man. It is like a dream place to live. It sure is. Let's get her up this hill, y'all. All right. I'm gonna get a shot of you. Get your first, find first, and you're gonna do your full send up that hill. I'll be right behind you once you get up, but you're gonna make it because it's dry. Just stay in the gear and stay going. You got it. Stay in first. Don't go to second, okay? Go ahead, find first. All right, one down. That's it. Just never let up. Look, you'll see my line. Just ride it, and I'm gonna be right behind you. No fear, dude. That is a steep hill, y'all. I promise you it is. That kid is, she's mine. That's what's up. All right. Sorry, y'all, that's a proud daddy moment right there. She's up there celebrating hardcore. If I weren't so out of shape from smoking cigarettes most of my life, which by the way, I don't anymore, I would have ran up the whole hill and celebrated, but I'm headed up there now. We'll celebrate when I get up there. Y'all can be a part of it. Watch this. Y'all can be a part of it. She is stoked. I know she is. Sick. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's
I expected it to be a bit more scarier, but it's actually...
Dude, I was right behind you. You just the whole way. Good job. Nailed it, Governor. Yeah, she smoked that thing, son. I gotta get more memory cards, y'all. I'm only good for about, shoot, I can do about 30 minutes of footage, and I gotta start pulling things off of things, downloading them onto other things, or uploading them onto other things. I gotta get more memory cards. I need to get a couple more batteries, maybe even another GoPro. We'll see. We will see. I'm doing my best to invest in everything like a business. Oh, I've got Beaver stuff coming in. Oh, y'all, I've got Beaver stuff coming in. I've got some IT stuff coming in. We're gonna be doing some reviews on. But look, y'all see this log? Check this out. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. You see this log right here? I got this piece of pin oak from some tree guys. I am going to order a sawmill that Beaver makes that you can put your chainsaw on. It's only $80 for, it cuts 13 to 16 foot planks. So I'm gonna get that's plenty for that. I'm gonna get it's only $80. I'm gonna buy it and cut that into planks, and I'm gonna make something really cool out of it. I don't know what yet, but Or maybe I do, I just don't want to tell nobody. So anyways, yeah. Anyways, y'all, let me get some of this stuff off this camera. I appreciate y'all watching.